Mission: Impossible Dead Reckoning Part 1 is now playing at a theater near you. Tom Cruise-led Mission: Impossible Dead Reckoning Part 1, directed by Christopher McQuarrie and co-starring Rebecca Ferguson, Hayley Atwell, Vanessa Kirby, Simon Pegg and others, observed excellent gains of around 90% on its second Saturday compared to its second Friday at the Indian box office. With Rs 4.75 crores net coming on Saturday, the cumulative net collections of MI7 in India stand at Rs 87.65 crores net. Over the next few days, the film will enter the coveted Rs 100 crore net India club, which has just been breached by Fast X so far this year. Oppenheimer and Barbie are doing excellent business in India, and despite that, the Tom Cruise star vehicle has managed to hold its ground. The gains on Saturday have confirmed that it is surely hitting the Rs 100 crore net figure, enough for it to secure a clean hit verdict. On the domestic front, the new releases have impacted the film majorly, as it is looking at a drop of around 60% in its second weekend, which is not good, especially since it has got unanimously positive reviews. Due to the sharp second weekend drop, the lifetime global numbers may end around the $500 million mark.